Hey folks, Time to Moto Man here. Time to do another mod on the CRF 250L. Today we're going to put on this Fender Eliminator from TST Industries. We also bought the Gen 2 flasher relay and the low LED profile license plate light. The universal license plate light just uses T connectors, so we'll connect these to the wire that we connect to this on the black and the blue part. Here is the before shot. So for the taillight itself, all we need to do is take the trunk cover off, put the seat up. The flasher relay is going to be inside of here. We can get through it here, I think, most easily. It's just one bolt and two plastic pop-ins. So there it is. It's just going to be this guy. We're not going to need these anymore. That's it. Just comes out in one piece. I put the bracket on the light and plugged it in. So before we bolt everything down, let's test it out. We've got the running light, front brake, back brake, left blinker, right blinker. Once we put the relay on, these won't be as quick. You'll see these two holes here. We supply a zip tie so you can tidy up your wires. I'll be doing that close to the end because I'm putting on the universal license plate light. We're going to be using the bolts that came out of these rear holes and the supplied washers. So we'll just tighten these guys down. We're going to run the universal license plate light wires underneath. Here are the two connectors. You want to remove the bottom piece. That is going to go over your wires, and there's a pin in there. And with these wires, the black will go to the black and the lead will go to the blue. Just loosen up this top part here. Try not to lose it. Everything's good and snug. We'll get this stuff tucked away, put it in our zip tie. Let's see if this light works. The license plate light has some sticky tape on the back of it that you can attach to your license plate. I don't have a new license plate yet, so I'm just going to tighten it in place. There's a groove up in there for your license plate to sit in. I took off the plastic panel. The relay is this guy right here. We're just gonna slide it off, plug in the new one, and slide the new one back on. Pop the panel back on, and that should stop the hyper flash on the turn signals. The new one is in place. Let's check it out. You can see now there's no longer a hyper flash. You can take the little circuit board out of that flash relay and adjust the speed if you'd like. I'm going to leave it at this setting. I think they have it to a default flash rate of factory. horn works. And here's the right one. That's it for this modification. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell down below and you'll get notified when new videos come out. I've got more mods to do on this CRF 250L and videos will be coming out shortly. Thanks for watching, everybody.